back to my channel. Okay, so today is a Tuesday morning and I decided to give you a morning routine. A morning routine. So before we get into the video, please make sure you like, comment and share. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are not, you are welcome to join the family. Please make sure you like, comment and share, and please subscribe. Share this video to your friends, your loved ones, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's just get right into the video. Guys, before I get into the sweeping and washing and bathing and all that, what you're going to see me do now is brush my teeth and wash my face. Yes, so that is basically it. Let's just get into that. So the next thing I'll do is to sweep. Yeah, if you're at an African home, if you are in an African home, and you should know what I'm talking about. You don't just wake up and eat and go out. You have to sweep. So yeah, let's just get guys, when I finish sweeping, the next thing I do is to wash my clothes. When I have dirty clothes, that's when I wash it. So without further ado, I don't want the sun to rise and meet me here washing my clothes because I'm gonna get lazy. Okay, so guys, I'm finally done with my chores. I swept, I washed my clothes, washed my dishes, and then yeah, so what I'm left to do is to take my bath, get dressed, and then head to wherever I'm going today. Is I'm going to see a friend today. Yeah, so like, okay, so you see me You see me after I have finished bathing and I'm ready to.
So guys, this is my outfit for today, and yes, as you can see, I'm ready and set to go out. And yeah, I just want to show you a quick view of my outfit. Yes, just this black and white little cute top with the jeans and then the sandals to pair it with.
So guys, as you can see, I'm ready and I'm about to go out, as I said earlier on. So this is basically what I do every morning. Yes, so please kindly give this video a cute little thumbs up, leave a cute comment, and of course your suggestions are welcome. And please make sure you share this video and subscribe. Yeah, you know how we do it here. Please subscribe. And yeah, if you want to know how I style my afro to be kinky braids, stay tuned. I will make a cute little video on that. Yes, so that is just it for today. Hope you enjoy this video. I love you all. Bye bye.